Is it time? I see you getting up. Bless you. Bless you. Oh, man. Excited, huh? Okay. Okay. Let's go ahead and get you fed. I have a feeling you're right on time. Let's see what time it is. Oh, man. You're about 10 to 12 minutes early, buddy. That's okay. We'll go ahead and get you fed. We had an early morning today anyway. Shake that up. Go ahead and grab your food. Open this. I know. It's been a good day today, right? It's been a great day. Got that sunshine shining too. Okay. Grab this. Grab this. And we got to bring Tragan back home today too. It's going to be a very quiet house. Me and you. Alright, I got it. I got everything right here. There you go. Oh man, you hungry? Food. Give me food. Yeah, you gotta chew it. Gotta chew it. Chill out for a sec. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, broth. Alright, there you go, buddy. You enjoy that, man. Happy Sunday, dude.